everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make googly eyes. Put black clay balls inside the medicine case. Cut it. Now make colorful monsters by spreading these clay. Put googly eyes, draw their horns and legs, and look, it is ready. Let's make a beautiful artwork. Tear this blue craft paper and make the sea surface. Also add a palm tree using clay like this. We are also adding some sea animals, like we are making a starfish by spreading this yellow clay. Add more details. We are also making a red crab. Add some shells like this and some birds using marker, and look, it is ready. This is a very easy technique to draw beautiful flowers. We are making multiple cuts on the straw and stamp colorful flowers on the paper like this, and look, it is ready. Draw its leaves and look, pretty artwork is ready. In this video, we are going to make beautiful artwork using clay balls. Spread colorful clay balls and make the feathers of the peacock. Look how pretty these are looking. We are making its body by pressing these blue clay and make small grasses, and look, it is ready. We are drawing a beautiful peacock using black marker. First draw its body, its beak, and look, we are making its round feathers. Draw wavy lines like this. Now add more details, color it, and look, it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.